This skincare routine is my secret to aging gracefully. Follow along for a real-time before and after. First, with clean skin and a clean gua sha tool, prep your skin to make it slippery. I'm using Mount Lai's Calming Herbal Repair Serum because there's also traditional Chinese medicine ingredients in it, and I love a multi-purpose product. For the gua sha tool, I'm using Mount Lai's red LED gua sha device. It's a gua sha tool with literal superpowers. It has 4 therapies in one and is rooted in traditional Chinese medicine practices, but also uses modern science to give me the best results. If you're like me and you move your forehead a lot, we're going to start here. Glide over the forehead and then the eyebrows, and finally do the 11 lines with the sculpting jade rollers. Just doing this part, we already see some great results. I also pass the red LED gua sha device over my cheeks and cheekbones and finish with my jawline. This is perfect for reducing the appearance of a double chin and releasing tense TMJ tension. This is the results on one side of my face. After doing the other side, these are my final results. In about 10 minutes, I already see more lift and my skin developed a really nice glow from all the circulation. Do this 3 times a week to really see a difference. You can shop Mount Lai's red LED gua sha device now.